Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about helping you save money while navigating. If you're someone who wants to avoid paying tolls while driving, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to enable the Avoid Toll Roads option in the Waze app on your phone. First, open the Waze app on your smartphone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, scroll down the menu and tap on the Settings option. Now, inside the Settings menu, tap on the Navigation option. This section controls how Waze chooses your routes and which roads it prefers or avoids. Finally, look for the option labeled Avoid Toll Roads. Tap the switch next to it to turn it on. When the switch is active, Waze will automatically plan routes that steer clear of toll roads whenever possible. And that's it. You've now successfully turned on the Avoid Toll Roads feature in Waze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful navigation and travel tips.